Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw 4 different fashion poses very quick and easily. Let's get started. For the beginning, just take your pencil and your sketchbook and a ruler, of course, and let's get started. First of all, as you see, you just draw a line and try to make it divided into 8.5 equal sections. So we are going to draw 8.5 fashion pose. It's up to you. You can even make it up to 9 head, but I'm doing it 8.5 today. So I really hope you find it useful, and if you are a beginner, it's exactly for you. And now I'm going to draw line on the other side as well, and then divide that into 8.5 section. And also we need to connect them from both sides. So the lines I'm drawing are 3 centimeters apart from each other, but it's all up to the size of your sketchbook and the head size that you are going to choose to have. So I did choose 3 centimeter head, and it's because my sketchbook is A4 and I can't go any bigger than that. But if you are using A3, so you definitely can draw even 4 centimeter head or even more. So yeah, as you see, the last one is half head and it's about 1.5 or 2 centimeter long. So now it is time to start the poses. So this practice is very helpful, especially if you are a beginner and are trying to learn poses. And yeah, so I am definitely sure it's gonna help you a lot to practice this method. Okay, so now it is time to start the first one. So between the line 1 and 2 was the head, and now it's the body or the upper body, let's say. And then from the 4th line to the 5th is hip, and then with a little circle I show the joint, and this is the other leg. So if you have anything in mind and you know what pose you are going to draw, so that's absolutely fine. But if you don't, just have a picture in front of you. It could be a real model or even the exact like this picture that I'm drawing. You could have something like this in front of you, that you don't get stuck with the pose and the figure. So it's always better to have something before you get started. But even if you don't and you have a good imagination, so that's absolutely perfect. And you can just decide at the moment that you are drawing, but please do not forget about the balance. Just try to, whatever you do, try to make it in balance. I also have another video before, so it's already on my channel, and it exactly explains what line is what and where everything needs to be. I do add the link in the description, and I really suggest you to watch that one as well if you haven't, and if you are struggling with where everything starts and where does it finish. I mean, the headline, where is the headline, where is the shoulder line, waistline or hip line. So that is so helpful. Okay, so now I am doing the second one. And I'm imagining this figure is not standing straight like the first one, and it's kind of moving or maybe walking. So let's do this one like that. So let's do the third one now. As you see, guys, I always start my figure with a straight line in the middle, and that is really helpful, especially if you are just started drawing or you are a new fashion drawer. So that line really helps you to understand where exactly everything needs to be, and about the balance that I spoke earlier about. So that makes everything more clear for you, so you can just understand where everything needs to be. So this one's just a bit different with the first two, and as you see, I am deciding at the second what exactly my pose going to be. And sometimes you see exactly here I'm thinking about the balance at the same time. I'm thinking, does it work like that? Or a human body, does it exactly work like this? And could it stand like it or not? So these are very important to just bear in mind as long as you are drawing. All right, again is a straight line, very slightly, doesn't need to be very dark, because later on you might need to rub it off if you're going to draw a garment on it. Then yeah, so this is the fourth one, and let's decide what am I gonna draw this one like. Guys, if you like this video and you are learning something new from this one, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, please. And let me know in the comment what other videos would you like me to upload for next weeks. Yeah, I'm more than happy to know your opinions, and if these videos are helpful or not, just I'm more than happy to know about your ideas. Alright guys, you see in about 10 minutes I did 4 different fashion croquis, and I really hope that helped you. And don't give up and don't stop practicing more and more. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and thanks for watching this video, and see you in next video.